Guys, Mater 35 here, BoxBusters.tv. Guys, we're doing 2 boxes, 2014 Draft Baseball. Guys, it's March 8th, 2016. Guys, thank you so much for getting in tonight's break. Guys, tomorrow we got a full half case going on. Hopefully we'll see you in tomorrow's break. Right now we're doing 2 boxes. Here we go. Good luck to you guys. 2 boxes. Here we go. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Box 1. We're going to bust them both open just to get them out of the way. Here we go. Box 2. Right there. There we go. Alright, 2 boxes. Good luck. Here we go. What's up, RC? Alright, here we go. Alright. Everybody doing good out there? Alright, here we go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. 2 boxes. Draft 2014. Travis for the Rangers refractor. Chad for the Miami Marlins die cut. Brett Graves for the A's refractor. And Nola Chrome and base. Michael Lorenz for the Reds refractor. Gold. Oh, that would have been nice, but it's not an auto. Brent Honeywell for the Rays. Gold out of 50. Congratulations to the Rays. 5 of 50 for the Rays. 5 of 50. Focus. There we go. All right. Silver Ice. Austin. Padres. Refractor. Brent Honeywell for the Rays. Silver Ice, David Dale for the Rockies. Refractor, Garrett for the Braves. Congratulations to the Braves. Refractor auto. Braves with a hit. Nice clean bold auto there. For the Braves. Silver Ice. Bradley Zimmer for the Indians. Austin Dakar for the Yankees, refractor. Base. Tyler for the Pirates, mini. Jordan for the A's, refractor. And Sean Zeal, $3.99 blue paper. Tigers. Refractor Kyle Freeland for the Rockies. Base. Final stack of stack one. Here we go. Refractor Corey Seager. Stuff's going skyrocketing for the Dodgers. Seager. Stack 2 coming up. Good luck. Here we go. Tyler Beede, mini for the Giants. Kevin for the Rockies. Refractor. Boom. Eric Fetty for the Nationals. Refractor. Justin Steele for the Cubs. Refractor. Byron Buxton black gold out of 75. That's a nice insert. 75 for the Twins. That's pretty cool. Silver Ice Ian Clark for the Yankees. Jeff Hoffman, Blue Jays, refractor. What do we got here? Brandon Shipley, Diamondbacks. And Justice Sheffield for the Indians. Terrible. Oh, the Indians got a hit. He's not. I don't think he's not too bad, but he hasn't been doing very well. But he's not too bad of a prospect. Lucas Sims for the Braves. Jorge Alfaro for the Rangers refractor. Jameson Pirates out of 399 paper. Here we go. Refractor Broxton Davidson for the Braves. paid. Last guys, thank you so much. Cole Stewart, refractor for the Twins. Ian Diaz, Diamondbacks. Refractor, Michael Chavez, Red Sox. And yeah, that's it. All right, guys, let's do a recap, guys. Thank you so much for getting in tonight's break. Recap: Sheffield for the Indians, auto. Garrett, refractor for the Braves, auto, and gold Brent Honeywell for the Rays out of 50. Guys, Mater 35 here, BoxBusters.tv. Just completed a 2-box break of draft baseball. Thank you guys so much. If you guys have any emails, go ahead and email me on eBay. I'll get back to you as much as I can tomorrow. This stuff should go out tomorrow, Thursday at the latest. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you around.